So the other day we went for that pile driver sweep. So we're pushing out at the leg, and I come up here, and I keep my leg activated. I don't want him to walk over it. All right, I'm gonna hand off outside arm to inside arm. So do that like hand to hand. Don't just start letting go, because we'll just push it. So I'm holding, hand it off, and then we go to the collar, all right? And then we sweep this way. But right away he starts posturing, and he starts trying to hand fight me here and break this grip. As he's doing that, he's offering me his other sleeve. So I'm gonna grab that one instead, let him have this one, and he'll break here, and then hand it off again. So now I have near side arm locked up behind his leg here, all right? From here now, it's not the same. I can't pile drive him, because if I push, he's gonna post, right? I can't get him down here, all right? It's not the end of the world, but instead, I'm gonna bring my foot off, all right? As he steps forward, I'm gonna spin under here, all right? At this point now, as I'm doing this, this will all be one motion, but I wanna shrimp just using my hips this way, all right? You'll see. He'll just fall over when we come up on top. I still like to hold on to this wrist here to pass, all right? So don't let go just yet, all right? So we're here, maybe he stood up, all right? As he's standing up, we pick a leg, doesn't matter, right? We could do this from Del Hiva guard. I like to do it from here. We push away, I sit up, and hand off the first one, like far side arm. I grab the collar, he postures, he starts fighting grips. So grab one, let him have this one, and feed this one too. Right when that happens, I'm dropping this. Usually he'll try to pass to keep his balance, so as soon as I bring the leg down, he steps forward. As he does it, we come up. One last time. Here he starts breaking, hand off, he goes to pass. All right, we get up on top position. All right, let's try. 1, 2, 3.